Has this ever happened to you? I can fix that, and I'm going to show you.
One, clear out everything under your sink and then grab your bucket.
Untwist this. Pull this down. Unscrew this clamp. Pull this black hose off. Grab something long and hard, stick it inside this hole, and then you twist this off. Once you get it off, flip it over into your sink. Grab you an Allen key, you want to stick it in this hole and manually turn the blade, dislodging anything that's blocking it. And if it's still not spinning after that, press this reset button. This will restart the garbage disposal. And if that doesn't work, it may be time to change it because it's too old. Like and comment, let me know if I can show you how to fix something else.